Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and also very important, don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will get notifications of my upcoming videos. Now today I'm here with a brand new Nintendo Labo. Now this just launched in Europe. I know in the US it launched like a week earlier or so, but I'm not sponsored, so I had to wait till I can find this in stores. So this is Nintendo's latest addition to the Switch. So what you can do, if you turn this around, you can construct Joy-Cons step by step using the interactive instructions, and you can play with it. Attach your Nintendo Switch to a Joy-Con and start playing, and you can also discover things. So get more out of your Joy-Con accessories by learning how they work. So there are two kits available at the moment. The robot kit and the variety kit is the one I got. I also got this little guy here, and this is the decoration customization set. So in here you will find a lot of stickers and washi tapes. Are those washi tapes? Yeah, I think so. Things you can play around with so you can customize your Joy-Cons. Now the Joy-Cons in the variety kit are the piano, this thing, what are those called? The house, I think this is a car. This is also this is the RC car. So this variety kit retails for 70 euros, while this customization set retails for 12 euros. So let's open this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, so this is the instruction cartridge that you put on your Switch. There it is. So this basically goes into your Switch. Let me open my Switch. I think I have a game in here. Yes, I do. Zelda. Love that game. Okay, there it is. The Nintendo Labo. Nintendo Labo will use the Joy-Con controller's HD rumble feature regardless of... Oh, I'm too slow. Okay, let's start with make. Play, discover. Okay, make. So first let's get a bit of practice. What am I supposed to do here? You can make a holder. Remove just this one piece from a sheet. Take care not to bend anything. Okay. Well, let's see. Well, what else do you have in here? Oh, you have like these rubbers. So just a bunch of rubbers and little cardboards that you can use. And then here are there's a lot of cards in here. Look at how many. You can create so many things with these. And they all are color coordinated, and they have little symbols up here, so that you can, for example, this black one, you can see the picture of the piano. Oh, oops. So that's that. I hope I didn't ruin anything here. So from this, it tells me from this one, because as you can see here is the A and the lamp, just like on my switch here. So it says to remove just this part. Let's do that. We use the other pieces later. In the moment, keep sheet A stored away in the box. That was the plan. So let's put this aside for a moment. Now we have this. Now let's see what it tells us. Do I have to hold this for a while? Something? I don't know. How long do I have to hold this thing? Touch the screen with one finger. You can rotate the camera. Oh, okay. I guess I have to remove this part. And this part. So, now it looks just like this one. I'm awesome! You can reset the camera by touching the reset button. Okay, great. Now then, let's get building. Keep checking the image on screen to make sure your creation matches it. The key to building the Grand Toy-Con is to fold firmly along the fold lines. Do you want to create the folds first? Okay, so I turn it like this, and I want to make those folds like this. If you do it right, the folded piece will stand up. Okay, I didn't do it right. It doesn't stand up. Okay, now it does. Make the folds one by one and you'll be done in no time. Okay, that was that one. Okay. Just have to make all the folds. And then this one goes in here, I guess. Okay. Oh. Now what about these? Okay, that's easy. To bend this one and this one and tuck. Oh, my little controller case. It even has a little spot for the... Oh, that's so cute. Now let's decorate these little holders. I guess there are two holders in here. I think so, I'm not sure. So let's decorate this little guy here, this little holder. I do have a washi tape, a glitter washi tape. This looks so pretty. Oh, look at this. I do have other colors from this, but I decided to use this one. I have scissors that I need. Maybe you need tape and glue to create anything, but I'm just gonna go very simple here. I'm just gonna use my washi tape. Let's do the other side. I think I'm gonna put here another one. Like this. Just gonna cut off the edges. There you go. Very simple. I didn't even use anything from the set. I just used things that I have. So don't feel the need that you have to go outside and buy washi tape. I mean, the set does have washi tape in there. This one and this one, I think. We also have a bunch of stickers that you can decorate. I mean, look how cute the piano is with the colors. Adorable. So yeah, this is yellow and this is green, and the house has a bunch of stickers on there, and so does the piano. Now I created this little thing. This is very simple, very basic. I just put washi tape all over there, this cute glitter one, and there you have it. So I hope you liked my little demonstration of these adorable controller holder. I'm not sure if there's a second one. I will take a look in this, but I think it's only one. As you can see, it's very easy to make. You just have to follow the instructions. It makes things a lot easier. That was it for my little unboxing and review of the Nintendo Labo. I really like it. I will try to make all of these, and I will also upload it because I want to use the decoration kit so that I can decorate them and show you guys what you can create with these. So what do you think of the Nintendo Labo? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's a miss? Are you gonna get it? I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the robot kit. I want to play with this one, with the variety kit, because I think it's also easier. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I really had fun creating this little guy here, and I do plan to make the car next, this one, and then I will just go from there. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell if you want to get notifications of my upcoming videos, and I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye guys!